Coders, welcome back. This is our day 12, and it's already been so late for me. Let's try to quickly again go through one of the assessments and solve some questions. I was planning to solve this on-site one, but there may be four questions, and I have no energy left to solve all the four. Let's go with online assessment, right? So there might be two questions. Yeah, so let's solve today two questions. Tomorrow I will try to solve maybe the longer one. Let's see how. So we have two questions. Fine. Actually, I just finished my call and yeah, it's been very late. So okay, so let's see the first question. It says like given a root of a binary search tree, an integer k, return true if there exists two elements in the binary search tree such that the sum of the element is equals to k or false otherwise. Okay, so we are getting here it is 9. So do we have any two elements with the sum equals to 9? So 2 is there, 7 is there, right? Uh, do we have 28? No. So it's like a two sum but on a binary search, right? So like you go to the 5 and then try to check have you seen like so for example for 9, right? So go to the 5, check do we have 4? No. Go to the 3, right? Do we have 6? Like have you seen 6 before? No. Go to the 2. Have you seen 7 before? No. 4, 6 and so on, right? Now it's a binary search tree, so of course you can do some other enhancement. Right. So maybe like not sure. Logarithmic time we can solve it, but how? How we can solve this? But yeah, for now, na, it's already been very late, so I will not go in very optimized. I will do this typical binary search. Right. Sorry, not binary search, to some way. So I will go to the each of the element and check whether target minus that element exists or not. It means whenever I go to the 5, I will try to check 4, right? Whether 4 is, I have already seen 4 or not. Because if I have seen 4, this means 5 plus 4 equals to 9, right? So this is the idea. So I'm gonna just create a global kind of variable of integer maybe set new asset, and I will do maybe like return DFS of root and k. And now here let me define this boolean DFS tree node root target maybe I can. So if root equals to null, of course return the false. And if set dot contains target minus root dot val, we're gonna return the true. Otherwise we're gonna add this value in our set dot add root dot val and return DFS of root dot left target or DFS root dot right target. Typical DFS. I'm just going and checking either in the left side or in the right side, right? And I'm adding those values and I'm applying. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's try compiling it. Oh, I'm getting through. Let's see submission. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So let's take typical two sum, right? So I'm going to the 5 and then I'm checking, can I add something in my 5 that will add me and give me 9? No, I haven't seen 4 before, right? I go to the 3, I go to the 2, I go to the 4. Whenever I go to the 4, no, since we already have seen 5. So 9 minus 4, 5. Have you seen 5? Yes, we have. So this is what we are doing. Let's move to the second question. It says, given to a string s and t, we say t divide s if and only if s is equals to t plus t plus t. Okay. So given a two string, str and str2, return the largest string x such that x divides both str and str2. Hmm, this is interesting. Um, okay. Return the largest string X. What we can do on this one? Okay, so we have to given to string S1 S2 return the largest such that X divides both str and str2. Okay, so like here the ABC will divide this ABC and this ABC also. Okay. So what we can do? Mm-hmm. It looks like a brute force. I mean, I'm not able to think any particular algorithm we can solve it. It feels more like just a hit and trial kind of, and keep doing it. Hmm. And you see here, the things you can notice from here, it's like divides, right? So maybe something related to the remainder theorem, like GCD and all. And I'm not sure, like how this will work. Mm, 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 mm. So, okay. Mm, ABC, ABC, and then ABC. Fine. Okay, the very first thing I'm able to notice is like, okay, let me call this as S1 maybe, and S2. Like if S1 plus S2 is not equals to S2 plus S1, then it is never going to be possible. Return nothing. Why? It's just observation. I'm not sure because if you see here, in mostly string these kind of string problem, I know this is one trick that one can use. You just have to remember this one. And of course, from here you can also see, right? You see ABC, ABC plus ABC, right? It is equals to ABC, ABC. You see? If you try it, you can see by observation, right? Here also, you see AB, AB. Either you do append one of the other, you will get the same thing. But here you will not, right? So lead code is not equals to a code lead, right? So this is the first thing I noticed. And now another thing you can notice is if they both are equal, we just need to take the GCD, the greatest common divisor, because this is what the question is asking. Return the largest string that divide both. Meaning, if you have a number, let's say 5 and 10, what is the largest number that divide 5 and 10? 5, right? So we just need to take the GCD, and then that GCD, we can extract the first GCD characters of the string. I think that would work. So for example, here the length of the first string is 336 and this is 3, right? So 3 will be my GCD. I will just extract the 3 words and that will be my answer. And it's a weird question. I think you should avoid it. I mean, if you haven't solved this kind of question before, it doesn't make sense, right? But you have to remember this. When I saw this T plus T thing, it got me click this thing, right? Because I have solved this question before. I don't exactly remember when, but yeah, I have. And then this divide thing and the largest, it just gives you hint, glimpse that there might be GCD, right? So let's create A equals to, let's quickly write our GCD method. Um, get the GCD of A and B and return S1 dot substring X. Let's write our GCD method. If B equals to 0, return A. This is typical we do in our childhood, right? If you do in pen and paper, the same thing we are doing, just using code, nothing fancy. Let's try compiling it, see any error. Okay, no, we have one error. Um, Otherwise return GCD. This is fine. Okay, why my A and B? Why my GCD is coming nothing? Is it? Let me debug quickly. Print ln x. See what my GCD is coming. Hmm? Nothing? Am I missing something? Oh, oh. This is okay. Let me see. Why this is running ABC, ABC, ABC is equals to ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay, no, this is very bad. As a Java developer, I should not do this. So here you see, I'm comparing the references, not the content. Of course, they will be different, right? These are the silly mistakes you should avoid. I, I mean, this is good. So we have to do something like this, right? Dot equals. So we have to match the content, not the reference. Hmm. Okay. Try again. Oh, again. Uh, oh, and now I have to so not equals to, right? Now it should work. Change the condition equals to. And let's see again. Yeah. Now I'm getting. Let's try submitting it. Mm-mm. Okay, we have an error. So A B A B A B A B. Uh, Output is AB AB. We should get AB. So it is like 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course. The GCD will be 2, and I'm not sure why my GCD is coming. I forgot my GCD method. Messed up. Let me try here. My GCD is coming as true. So S1 dot substring 2. Oh, my bad. I have to do something like this. Hey, from 0 to 2 characters. I was initially doing from 2 to all, right? This is the reason of tiredness, nothing else, guys. I'm sorry for that. It's like 11 what we call PM. And yeah. So these are all, both of them are easy questions, but yeah, you do mistakes, you learn from the mistake, and this is what we do, right? So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about these problems. And yeah, let's catch up in the next one. Thank you.